Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing the camera and workspace for reliable power delivery and safety. Inspect the camera label to confirm it requires a 12V 2A adapter or supports PoE at 48V. If the camera has a removable battery, charge it for 4 hours before first use to ensure stable startup. Examine all cables and connectors for frays, exposed wires, or bent pins. Make sure the DC jack or Ethernet port matches the cable ends precisely to avoid power or data interruptions during activation. Next, wire the camera using the correct components for stable operation. Use a 12V 2A adapter when powering directly, or connect to a 48V PoE switch for data and power over Ethernet. When using PoE, run CAT6 cable and respect the recommended maximum length of 100 meters to maintain reliable voltage. If hardwiring DC power in a fixed installation, add a 1A inline fuse to the positive lead for circuit protection. Tighten connectors and secure cables to prevent movement or corrosion. Finally, activate and configure the camera for first use following a clear sequence. Power the camera and press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to start the boot sequence and indicator lights. Wait until the camera fully boots before interacting, which typically takes under 2 minutes for most models. Connect to the camera through the manufacturer app or web interface and update firmware to version 3.2.1 or later for improved stability and security. Finish by configuring Wi-Fi credentials or fixed IP settings for reliable remote access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.